Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I'll be showing you guys how to create volume on top with the help of dryer. Now this is very easy and the steps are also very easy. First you have to take a section, that is a square section, from mid of the eyebrows, and you can clip it. Now it's all up to you whether you have to take a section with the help of your fingers or with the help of your comb. Now trust me, if you master this whole blow dry technique, you will not miss the salon, because this is what salon people do, and that's why we feel so good after the blow dry, because they can give a good volume. So now when you take this square section, you have to divide the section in 2 or 3 sections. Since my hair is very fine, I'm gonna take 2 sections and that will be enough for me. Now you have to take the first section, and can you see the brush that I'm using? This brush is called round brush. This is the medium size of round brush. This will be a good one to give volume to your hair. Now what I'm doing right now over here is from the roots till the ends, I'm just rolling the brush from top to end. Now you get these good quality of brushes from Miniso as well, with cheaper price, approx 250 to 350, and that will be also enough for you guys to do it at home. So this is my first section. You have to keep on doing it unless the hair is not getting dry or shine and a nice shape. Now this is the second section that I've opened. Second section, again you have to hold the brush underneath the hair section, and you have to do the same action from top till bottom. You have to keep on rolling the brush. This is how it is, and this is so simple. In the beginning it will be difficult for you, but if you'll start this way, I'm sure after 5 to 6 times you will be mastering this technique. And we are here almost done. Can you see, with just 2 sections? So you have to just combine those 2 sections, and since you have done everything forward, आपको ये सारा सेक्शन पीछे की तरफ लेके जाना है, where you can actually see a good volume. So here it is. Now you can see how great volume I got in just like 1 or 2 minutes. You can do this technique whenever you're getting late for your work or for any party where you can't go to salon and do a proper blow dry. This is a good alternative, and yeah, you can flaunt your hair after this, whether your hair are short or long. The front section will be easier for you to do. I hope you like this video and this technique, and I request you to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Until then, bye.